In this video, I can explain the properties of a triangle for class 7. You can see the picture which having the alternate angle is at 90 degree. In triangle ABC, where angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to x degree, angle B is equal to x degree. Find angle A and angle B. In this video, triangle ABC, where angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to x degree, angle B is equal to x degree. It's having the opposite sides. That why angle A and angle B is an x degree. Find angle A and B. We can find that angle A and B. Next, solve that. X plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. X plus x, 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. You can take as a 90 in a right hand side. That why sign is a change. Plus and here minus. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree divided by 2 because 2 is here multiplication. That why 2 as having division method. X is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 45 degree. Answer: angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 45 degree because it's the both having the opposite side. Next question: in a triangle having two sides of equal length, if the angle opposites, then the angle is 30 degree. Determine the third angle. In this question, we can explain that two sides are equal. The triangle having two sides are equal. This side and this side is equal, which has having the 30 degree and 30 degree. Find the third angle. We can find the third angle. Name as angle A, B, C. Let the triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle A is equal to angle B 30 degree, angle C 30 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus 30, 60 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Answer: angle A is equal to 120 degree. The third angle is 120 degree. Angle B is equal to 30 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree. Find angle A. This was in question. Let the triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. Angle A plus value of B 30, value of C 30 is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A, you can change the sign as a minus because it can be replaced in the right hand side. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. The third angle is 120 degree. Next question: in a triangle XYZ given below, write the name and determine the third side, where angle is 40 degree. angle x is equal to 40 degree, angle z is equal to 40 degree, angle y find out. Let the in the triangle x y z, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle x 40 degree, angle y 40 degree, angle y plus angle z 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. 80 degree plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Angle y is equal to 100 degree. In this question, you can see that angle x is equal to 40 degree, angle z is equal to 40 degree, and find the angle y. In triangle XYZ, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. This was angle sum property. Then put the value of x and z, because x and z is a 40 degree. Angle x 40 degree, angle y written as angle y plus angle z 40. Take the value of x 40 degree, written as a y, again angle y plus angle z is equal to 40 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, plus the 40 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree, plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Angle y is equal to 100 degree. The angle y is value of